Hello Pisces, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your career, business and money reading from 14th to 20th September. Let's see, hopefully we have some awesome stuff. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Just a word like Mars is going retrograde from 9 September to 13 November, such a big period. So this is the planet of ambition, fiery planet of ambition, going retrograde in a fiery sign, that is Aries. So things might get stuck or slow down, or the momentum might not pick up. So don't get frustrated. It's the planetary, even if you are doing the hard work, it's the planetary movements that is causing the chaos. So do your work and just leave it up to the universe or whomever believe in to take care of the work, or success and rewards, whatever you are expecting. So let's see, Pisces, what's there for you. Three of Cups comes with Judgment. Okay, here. So Three of Cups, celebration with friends, family. I think your situation improves with at home, in office, in everywhere. It's talking about a joyous situation, a happy situation, and you will be making a decision here. This decision might be personal, it could be professional, it could be business, it could be related to money. So you need to make a decision here. It could be a job offer coming to you and you could decide whether to go on with this job or not. So this is your Judgment card here, Pisces. Also it talks about reconciliation with a partner, reconciliation with a associate, or a business person or boss. Like it is like a card of reconciliation. Definitely this is success, this is happiness, this is joy, Pisces. This is what I get. Overall improvement in your emotional, physical and wealth. This is what I see in this week. The situation improves. The Lovers card, and oh, I can't believe these. This is the Lovers card and the Two of Cups here. So there is something, it could, two, this is, you won't believe, usually it's a card of soulmate, twin flame, but here in business money, it is like partnership getting stronger. Even at home, you might be feeling blissful in your partnership situation, business situation. It's a blissful situation. The terms, the deals, the negotiations that is happening is really blissful to you. It makes you happy, it makes you satisfied. You are doing some negotiations, your expansion, growth, everything is happening with this. This is also a card of some of you getting promotion. What else, Pisces? I have never got this combination ever till this few months that I have been on YouTube. I have got this for the first time. Great card. It could be union of two partners, foundation being laid, and it will be a very good one which will bring you abundance, prosperity, happiness and all what you stay, all whatever. It is going to raise your standard of living. You will be in a new position, a heightened position, Pisces here. This is what I get here. Very positive card. The Lovers, the Lovers is a Gemini card. So you got two major arcana. So Judgment card says that this is going to be a long-lasting effect on the decisions that you are going to make. So make it wisely regarding this will give you not only happiness now, but it is going to give you happiness, success much later. Even this card has the Lovers card, one major arcana and one minor arcana. It's like, of course, a step up, a promotion for some of you, Pisces, or from a manager, you could be the senior manager. It's like that hierarchy in your working space. Monetary gains also, which I feel here. Now you have this Four of Cups and the Empress. So it shows that Four of Cups first coming. You are soaked. Some of you are still in a situation in your life or with the person. It could be there that you are soaked in your sorrow, in pain, in your grief, in your head. It is in your head. You are not come out of your, maybe these things have happened in your recent past or past, but still you have those influences in your head. So this is like reaching out to people, reaching out to friends, reaching out to, there is a helping hand. So, but you need to reach out, you need to come out of this Four of Cups energy is like, see, 3 cups you have, but you're still so lost into your thoughts, you cannot see what is there. So you need to come out of this, reach out to this helping hand. Once you extend your hand for help, you will see that you will achieve what you want, and you will achieve this here. This is growth, abundance, prosperity, happiness. You know, whatever you say, this is the Empress card. It's one of the best cards of also Emperor energy. She is very caring, nurturing. So it will be an overall happiness for you here. So reach out. If there is a major distress going in your life regarding a job situation, reach out to people you know for help. To help you find a job, or you know, in money situation you could reach out to someone. Definitely there is somebody, but you need to just reach out. This is what for to get the success of this Empress energy here. Also, I feel with this card, now I get a clue. There is someone who is mature or maybe older than age. It could be a male or a female. There is somebody who is gonna help you. It could be your family person giving you the money or the resources that is required, or somebody, but they are elder to you in age, and also that they may be more mature and you know, very loving, kind, who will help you come out of this situation. So you can relate to the people you have in your life. What else for Pisces here? So this is Four of Swords here, and Ace of Wands. So you are thinking about starting a new enterprise, maybe a new business, something which will grow. So this is just an idea that is in your mind now. You are thinking about different aspects of this thing right now. So you have taken a step back. You're trying to gather knowledge. You're trying to gain knowledge. You're trying to find out the consequence in the sense positive, the outcome, the result. So everything is working in your head right now regarding this new idea. This is the Ace of Wands. So it is basically a new business venture, or it could be a small enterprise, it could be a small shop, or anything, this. But you are thinking about this now this week. You haven't started the action, so you are in that action, thinking mode about starting something new. This is what I get here, Pisces. Let's see one more card. I feel you will be joining ceremonies, rituals, and visiting places, for marriage, and it could be a little expenses could be there. You need to see your expenses, but you will feel joyous attending those. It will bring you happiness. Now let's see. And not only it is going to bring you happiness, your family also will be happy that you are spending time with them. Ace of Swords. So here comes the clarity, the breakthrough, and Knight of Pentacles here. So this is something, a breakthrough, a situation with clarity, coming through for a situation which is solid, which is this is a Knight of Pentacles. You maybe there's an idea which will be you will start working, which will give you new adventure, new beginnings, whatever you say, and also it is a blessing, like money coming for some of you here. This is what money coming. So with this, when it coming with this Knight of Pentacles here, so this news is coming to you. Maybe this week you will just receive the news and not the money. So it will come to you slowly, or the money might come into different small portions, like first installment, second installment, third installment. This is what I get here. Maybe it could come from a government agency or something where you will be paid in installments. Sudden money coming for some of you here, and for some of you it's a breakthrough in the idea or to work, and it's an action time here. But you will be this will give you slow but solid foundation. That is like slow and steady win the race. You will be working towards that, and it will be a solid foundation. It is going to be successful one. This will get you abundance and prosperity here. So something new beginnings for some of you here, which you will be slowly working towards it. You will start new beginnings, you will start working slowly, and definitely it's going to be successful. So this is it, Pisces here. A Knight of Pentacle card, and you have one pentacle. Again, what I feel is that, you know, income coming to you from, this is Pentacle card. Yeah, so it's like brokerages. You will get money from rentals, from agreements, from you know, this is again a salesman. So I mean, you get that you know, what is that called? It's like brokerage for the amount of work that you put in. So definitely there is money coming in for some of you here from real estate. That is I mean, related to real estate, buying, selling. It could be land, it could be homes, anything. So let me now just pull out an angel guidance card. Letting go, learn to let go. So whatever difficulties, Pisces, you have had in your past, I have seen your readings and I do remember. So that comes to me intuitively, that let go, that past, let go. Letting go will help you success. Let go the difficult situation from your mind, from your world, and you will be successful. So this is it. If you do like my reading, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you. Stay blessed.